siniman borok malai jauh ka kisah borok no punukan hasil tino rok sida sini no sini yai ko this is yes Oke malai lajau kai ko nah di Pandawa 23rd Youth Fellowship
Wari bebang no
bebang no wari kira
mesti tok dah Duita 15 sini, duita 30 loboi jengmani bagi tiar khenai sini mandai sarkel nikoya tei songbong
ko norok nai di Pandapai kha Pandapai man bagi joto janjani ongko tanglai kha sama bukhak rok norok no phunugano so this is accommodation accommodation hasal rok oro tongnani kunani pandani bagi hingke hasal rok no ke jara rojano obo accommodation center and this is information je kun manai rao korok kamai thangka rok no inform khlaimano so they are accommodation and this is medical oro bokhok sawi kuno bokhok dera kha base kuno khe oro contact khlaimano medical registration ibagui oro mana so exhibition iko norok naimanai obo nitui o Pandawa norok nugani tam tongmadi cekok abo ang sinia norok comment box so comment kai sadi morwa takuk bomo norok saimano ka hokeno so takuk go top rok tono Tamungkha ang saiman sukliya norok comment box so comment kai sadi so this is Patla Musandri Khor Baptist Church Patla ang saimi abo haipuno saima mangke obo bokrok go thuwei omtikhe samung rok ang tu rogo samung klaimano belake helpful satung rok katiwi manobo norok nai tongdi obo norok tam saijaman saimana ni ang sudo actually ang saimama mote hingke obo nok kesarui Roma rock abo sini culture sising ikoro sising ni norok luda nuk nai nai di sising so tung mazora kisip tabuk belai ke useful tung mazora oke kisip no nango belai ke useful
Oh, 46 como. Vamos na chuka momo. Vamos na chuka.
So they are looking for these items na itong horok this is all our cultural sini use klaimani manirok. Obnol langga. So again we meet Andara staff no ansai senior. So his name is Sinidara Reverend Somendra Debarma. So we are here the banner of 23rd Youth Fellowship. Ojago sokolyaikha photo bujak na bagin sing phailayo. Naigna aro busuk naithokroka. Photo bujak laimani belaki biji oro jaga saklayang itongkha. Tamningke borok belaki kobangma. So this is banner of 23rd Youth Fellowship of Southern Baptist Sikla Bodol. So that is since 4 to 6. Saya tarik ni sini 6 tarik jora tongnai Panda. So the venue place hangke Surendra Nagar Higher Secondary School ground Hezamara. So photo bujak lainai tau. Dol by Malay friend. Hi. Hi, nahari cibai runani pointo okay berani bagi. So my friends, Pandau Malay lah kata. So introduce kelahiran di tabur tu saya introduce. Borkatal Baptist Pastoral Circle sini Sudir Debarma. Rada Sudir batak Sudir tu nanti no. So tay korokta hanya hadi thasing introduce kelahiran.
Yang bungkai Elas. Yang motamkali motani.
Borkatal Circle.
Nih.
So yes, thank you.
Okay. Baptist Pastor Circle lebih juga Borkatal Baptist Boy or dukan. Mau tangan ni bagai.
Oh, building fund.
Building fund ni bagai.
Acha, oh dukan kai tong layo. Very good idea belai ke kaham. Namni hingke fund hai laka phainya ni abo to possible ya mon bagai for building fund purpose Borkatal Baptist Church Borkatal Pastoral Circle borok. Building fund ni purpose tu abo borok dukan.
Use ang motor ni secretary Mr. Budi Debarma.
Yang sir introduce
Hamai. Bumung. Dikan ada Debarma Borkatal Baptist Church.
This is Sondronat Hezamara Circle. Youth fund itu borok or dukan purpose kelajaran. So what are available here? Orotan mantap, egg roll, egg roll Thai, top tui, pokra, egg roll top tui pokra, food torkari, aborok mantogo, ang joto saimalia tam tom tui, hai kono Sondronat Baptist Church, Hezamara Baptist Pastoral Circle for youth fund. So this is Obicharan Baptist Church Circle, Obicharan Baptist Pastoral Circle. Abo Girja Nifan itu yorok dukan kolayo. At 23rd Youth Fellowship Ozagawa. So pakora, ready to eat Maggie, lemon tea, cool tea, coffee available here. Okay, so this is Durga Chaudhary Baptist Church, Obicharan Baptist Pastoral Circle. Individual nifan botongo, tai girja nifan botongo. What are the things available here? Water, tuiman togo, norok nukna, pakora, Maggie, coffee, cool tea, coffee, jotoman togo. At 23rd Youth Fellowship. This shop or jagawo picture frame like naitotoke like a kaitor by dongdi hake bobo norok by tongai Jacob journey art picture frame man pogoro. If you come at 23rd Youth Fellowship or jaga visit Klainata Pogdi. So for Durga Chaudhary Baptist Church individually botongo tai bongni motani fan pribo borok abong. Here individual shop available here Orotam Mantok, water, beverages, Sprite, Thumbs Up, fruity, matcha, etc. Tiffin morning, momo evening, egg roll evening. Oromantok. And then Richards touching our Baptist church for fundraising building construction. Our Baptist church borok building fan itu abo water available here banana bangma so Richards bo man ko borok and many things eggs water fruity bangma tongo touching our Baptist church ni fan ni bagi. Oh, so this is the merchandise of Yapang TV. Okay. I think you will find the merchandise of Kogrok Mix Channel some days. So, about Yapang TV ni merchandise for 23rd year Fellowship of Southern Sikh Labrador ni Yapang TV ni tu about kaisa merchandise. If you want to buy, you can purchase it here. O jaga phayi purchase klaimano. So they are the members Yapang TV ni tu. Oh, cinema ni borok hanya hai Malaysia ka. Let's introduce.
Belkena hambai sini Kogrok Mix Channel no. Ani mungke Alif da Burma. Ang kiniro sini Yapang TV channel ni ngai merchandise
You can see merchandise I phalai tonglayo.
Awan bagai borok paile bi tongo. Oke ang awan bagai koinai joto kazaga cinta khokte bukuk sengno. Aro phaidi pai phaidi. Aro sini Yapang TV channel ni sing kaisa fan awan bagai afan ni bagai sing phalai tonglayo. An bagai joto poito klaine Kristo ti tongnai ronang koina musungo. Noro joto phaibidi pai phaidi on bisiti phano norok sungno. Directly chubai me apano o merchandise pai meni bisiti phano. Sini Yapang TV no chubana ne bagai ang nang thani khabu phe koijo.
Hambai. So this is bojaga hangke norok no sajagya kuna 23rd Youth Fellowship Hezamarao 4 to 6 October. Ro manthoknai norok paina musukhe paifemano. I think Kogrok Mix Channel should launch merchandise. Haida merchandise launch ma klainai tam inke norok comment box o sadi Kogrok Mix Channel merchandise launch klainai. So Yapang TV ni ko benar norok naidi Yapang TV News and Entertainment Channel norok nukna YouTube rogo ang tonugo follow klai naidi Yapang TV wo Kogrok Mix Channel sponsor klai tongo advertise ritong. So thank you. So o jaga kanja kapra Baptist Church Obicharon Baptist Pastoral Circle. So this is for building fund ibagi borok water available here Bible mantogo rosapung ganoi tai some t-shirt roktongo tupi tungma jora mantogo tai bags. So norok 23rd Youth Fellowship 4 to 6 abo aike yang berayui paina musungkhe paina ni tapokdi. This is Kanjakapra Baptist Church Obicharon Baptist Pastoral Circle. So introduce.
Ani mungkai Nelson Deborma mungkai sumber sin church ningai oro halainani phalajak sini building fund ni bagai Kanjakapra motha Baptist Church Pastor Obicharon Pastoral Circle.
Yes, Obicharon Baptist Pastoral Circle. Sanggana baheng ka panda kisa sagra di puila ni simi taksik jora tei choli tongani.
Panda khaito puila simi pathak joran manjak kha tabak tini sak jora pathai jako kana sak jora tongnai. Mungkai panda khaito taksik jora kaham nongkha belakena nai thoka. Abake tebo khap khaksango top tong thogo. Abake je kaitorni singsa je nugjagi tongmani ti amhairokta.
So different talent o channel norok to nuknai fu funukjangnai different talents ni 23rd Youth Fellowship o nuknai Kogrok Mix Channel subscribe klaina tapok.
Ani mungkai to Manus Debroma angkai to Mandai no ani church ngakai Believer Eastern Church and Believer Eastern Church ni angoro phai pandarogo manjak phayo blaike khatong thogo tai khabo srango kaitono lomna ke jese jaga pano jese motha pano jese church pano jese program pano ang khasrangai phayo amahai
Belake kaham te yango sini takuk bini introduce klaitung bumung sekang tai bo jaga ni abro.
Acha hambai sini janano je channel malik emne khe ani mungkai Himendro Debrama satpara motha circle ke mandai ang tini awa haike o jaga sokpaijak miani simi sarik ni belakhe tong thogo plus phola thangi bwskang thangani bagai awahi lam phunugo tai sini okra sakra rok sono guideline phunugo abni bagai belakhe no khas rango tai awahi ke sing kaham lama sungjotono jara sigla tongnai rok borbo phaike manja khesau
so panda phai belakhe encourage ongkha
belakhe no
belakhe encourage ongkha motivate ongkha norok nai tong so tai khoroksa bini bumung bo kisa sagra situng bo
ani mungkai subut debarma ani church ingkai Jargoria Baptist Church circle ingkai mandai
acha so thank you
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.